Good evening. Remember this one I taught you how to make French toast the easy way and not the hard way with milk and all that? Well, this evening I'm going to make liver and rice and gravy, right? So I have my onions over here already cut up, my flour for the liver, but you have to season it. So all I'm going to do is put some salt, because there's a lot of liver, so I got to put great amount of good amount of salt on it. Some pepper. And some accent. Then I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to stir it up together. So if you get on there evenly, I have to turn my fire on so that the grease can get hot, right? You're gonna mix it up like this so it can spread around it evenly, so every piece of liver can have a taste, some salt, pepper, and accent, right? Then you're gonna have your flour already out. Because once you start flouring it, it has to go right into the hot grease. Right? I'm gonna need you to get me another one of these lids. So after it's fried, it can go on there, and I can put the onions in it to, get a little brown and soften up a little bit. This is for when the liver comes out of the fire. Okay? So what you're gonna need is, a lot of people don't like liver, but liver is really good and good for you. And if you fry it right and do it right, you have liver with grits, liver and rice, liver with potatoes. But tonight I'm making it with rice. So here's your liver, salted, pepper, accent, whatever you want to put on it to make your food taste the way you want it to taste. Not to my taste, but this is easier. Because a lot of people don't really have a lot of other things. Like some people don't have garlic, some people don't have accent. Well, I happen to have it. Because I'm a shopaholic. So anyway, so don't forget your liver, salt, pepper, and accent, or just put salt and pepper on if you don't have any accent.
You already use the flour?
Yes.
Alright, I'll take this with me.
And my husband, everybody knows that he's my director and my producer and everything else. So you will hear his voice throughout the video too. My mom is here. She's not going to say anything yet. But anyway, here's the liver. You're going to flour it on both sides. Don't be scared to use your hands. But get a big cast iron pot. And this is just good liver because it's not breaking up or anything of that nature. So try to get beef liver because it's good and it'll fry right. And if you have liver like this, you can even cut it up before you do this. So you can have a lot of pieces. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just flouring the liver, just like this. Just like that, the flour chicken. I don't know how nobody else family does it, but my family. Almost hot enough. I put a couple more, some flour on a couple more pieces, and then I can put the rest of this in there. The grease has to be hot. Remember that. Not lukewarm and all of that. It has to be hot. So, and I'm cooking this night for us and my mother's sister. My mother's gonna see us on used to come and pick it up. But my husband and I walked it over there. My aunt, her sister. And just put it in the pan like that. And let it fry. Now I didn't cut these. But once they get done, they kind of shrink to make more room in the pan. Okay? So after these are done, I will come back and show you what else I'm going to do. Okay? Be back in a couple of minutes. Just hold on. Hi. We just got finished doing some of the liver, like 3 pieces in here. Now you're going to add your onions. Right in there with that grease to make it a little browner. Just a little brown, the onions. I had to cut up the liver because it was big pieces. So now I'm going to take these 3 couple of liver pieces out. See how brown that is? And I'm going to let the onions brown a little bit. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. And while they're doing this, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to wash this stuff here off so it won't be in the way when I get ready to put grease off of the out of the stove. It won't be in the way. So and just make sure they're not hard. Make sure they're kind of soft. Because once you put the liver back in here with it, it's going to really turn brown. The gravy is going to help it turn brown. Now, let's take the onions out. I'm going to sit on top of this liver and next to it. See that? Nice and easy. The liver takes from 15 to 25 minutes to fry. Right, Lou?
Yep.
From 15 to 25 minutes to fry. But you don't want it to be tough. So it won't be tough. 15 to 25 minutes, let that fry. That's only if you have a lot. A couple of pieces, you let that fry 15 minutes, take it out, put your onions in, let them get a little tender, right? Then I'm gonna take this piece. Don't do it if you don't care. But what I usually do is I make sure this one's hot. I make sure this one's really hot. So I pour it into my sink. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this oil out. Just a little bit. See, I just poured just a little bit of it out. I don't know why I put that flour out like I was finished with it when I wasn't. But anyway, I'm going to get a little bit more flour. Just a little bit more flour. And a cup of water. I have a measuring cup and I don't feel like looking at it. So, so anyway, that's not my music. My mother's listening to the Temptations. Sorry. I'm going to take this. Put it back on the fire. I'm going to get a spoon. And I'm going to put a little bit of flour in here. And I'm going to whirl it around. That grease makes it kind of brown. See? How it makes it kind of brown? That's the bits from the liver. Makes it kind of brown. Makes your grease kind of brown. You got some brown gravy. It's kind of thick, right? So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of water, pour it in there, so it won't be thick. But then I'm smart, right? What I do is I get jars of brown gravy, and I add to it. Just like that. And I stir it in. Just like that. Just like that. That is brown gravy. Then I get a little bit of water in the jar. And I pour it in there. And I stir. And I stir. Till it all
Put that heat on, girl. The heat is hot.
and I stir until it almost blends in as one. See that? Mine don't touch it.
Oh, it's that playing.
My mother tries to work the TV and she just
I do what it says, don't mark it. It never comes on. I don't know what that.
okay, that's your gravy. Now you want to flavor it up. Put a little salt. Mommy. And you put a little pepper. Ooh. And you stir.
I can't.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And then you add the meat. And the onion. No, why didn't you just do that? And the onion. Then you add the meat and the onion. And you continue to let it cook until it all becomes one. You cover it up. I made a mess like I always do when I cook, but y'all already know. Turn it down real low. Get a cover for it. So that it can simmer. And there's your liver and gravy. 1, 2, 3, easiest 1, 2, 3. So, nothing is hard. I try not to make anything hard because I understand that I doesn't have the ingredients that I might have. So you need your onions, your liver, your salt, your pepper. If you have accent, you can use it. If you don't, it's still okay. Flour, water, and that's it. Now, if If you have any questions, you can reach me at Sheila Ramsey.
No. Actually, they can reach you through this YouTube channel.
Oh, you can reach me through my YouTube channel because I know it look hard, but it's really not. It's really easy. Just make sure you have the right size pot. I did, but I don't know how I spilled this, which I'm getting ready to clean up as soon as I get on the air. But like I said, I try to keep things really simple. KISS, keep it simple. KISS, KIS. Keep it simple. That's the best I can do. And you're going to make some rice. I showed y'all how to make the rice before, so that should be easier for y'all to do. Make white rice, brown, whatever kind of, or you can make it with grits. Or mashed potatoes. Whichever suits you. But remember, do it your way. This is Sheila, quick and easy. Have a good evening. Peace.